How's it going, everyone? As you can probably tell by the title, we've got a little compilation for you guys here. This is going to be a truck air horn and city horn compilation. Because not all trucks had city horns. Well, no, sorry, air horns. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this compilation. I only did this because I wanted a nice thing to do just to end people's September. Like everybody's September. So, yeah. Other than that, have a great day, guys, and enjoy the video. He did it! Hey, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Have a great day if you're watching this. Oh, he did it again. Oh, it was them over there. Oh, I'm glad I wasn't the only one who did it. There we go. Okay, we got a Kenworth coming up here. Looks like he's turning. There we go. Okay. That was pretty quiet there for an air horn, but I heard it. I don't think you guys heard it, but it was pretty quiet, but he honked. Truck over here too. I'm not sure if we're gonna get it or not. Probably not. Kenworth. Imagine he honked his horn as I'm coming along. Nice purple truck, buddy. Have yourself a good day, sir. We got a Kenworth coming up here. And we got Matt coming right behind me. Okay, there's a Freightliner. Okay, there's one. I guess one of them's getting ready to blow. I'm gonna get off my bike. Okay, the International's gonna go first, by the looks of it. He didn't wait. But then there's a Kenworth coming, right here. And then there's another International coming. There's more trucks coming. They're still coming. Every direction. Let's see if we can get these 2 trucks to honk. Well, one of them honked their city horns. Freightliner did, not that little goat. And now here comes the Peterbilt. Have a great day. That was awesome. I love that horn. It's really nice. Okay, here's a Mac. That's a Volvo. Nice. Here it comes. Okay, and a Freightliner. Here it comes. Okay, there's a Kenworth coming and there's a Mack right there. Let's see what we can get. Here it comes. There's the Kenworth. Nice. And here's the Mack.